Ah, frigging system gone again. Never mind. So, replacement system. Oh no, I'm going to have to take all this apart and redo it all. What a nightmare. Not. I'll show you how to do it quickly and easy. So, there's the replacement system in all its glory. But I don't want to be doing all this. So, make sure it's the same as this one. And always use those. All back quiet again. Let's just reassemble this bit. Right, all done, all fixed. Totally silent, can't hear it. Flashes. Works fine. One thing to remember when you do this is make sure this ring is down locked to keep it on the stalk. Otherwise it will fly off. Thank you.